In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove admin from Omnisend account. This is a quick but important process, especially if someone no longer needs access to your store, an agency has finished their work, or you simply want tighter control over who can manage your marketing. I'll walk you through each step so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, make sure you're logged into your Omnisend account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Omnisend dashboard. This is your main overview page, where you usually see your campaign stats, automations, and general performance information. We're not changing anything in your campaigns today, we're just adjusting user access. From the dashboard, move your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might be a small avatar, your initials, or a simple profile symbol, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu with your account-related options. In this drop-down, look for the option labeled Users. This is the section where you manage all the people who have access to your Omnisend account, along with their roles and permissions. Go ahead and click on Users. You'll be taken to a page that lists every user connected to your account. On the Users page, find the admin you want to remove. Take a moment to double-check that you're selecting the correct person, because once you remove access, that user will no longer be able to log into this Omnisend account. When you've identified the right admin, look to the right side of their row. You'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. A small menu will appear with different actions you can take for that user. From this menu, choose Revoke Access. Clicking this doesn't fully complete the removal yet. It's the action that starts the process. Omnisend will typically ask you to confirm, just to make sure you're not doing this by accident. Next, you'll see a confirmation option that says Remove Access. This is the final step. Review again that this is the correct admin, then click Remove Access to confirm. After this, that admin's permissions are fully revoked and they will no longer have access to your Omnisend account. And that's it. You've successfully removed an admin from your Omnisend account, helping keep